Does anyone know what this might be?
Water.
Water, absolutely. I've got some water. And I've actually got another type of water here. Sparkling water, exactly. It's fizzy water as well.
I don't know.
I've got some of this stuff here. Oh, it looks like glue, doesn't it? This is like a salad dressing. You might put it on a salad at home. And I've got these. What are these?
Tomato.
Sauces.
Tomato as well.
Tomato sauce and barbecue sauce. I've got this stuff here. Does anyone know what this is? Cooking oil. Absolutely. Vegetable oil. I've got this one. Has anyone seen this before? Vinegar. This is vinegar. We've got vinegar. What about this? It's yellow, isn't it? It's lemon juice. What about this one? Has anyone seen this before? You do. You wash things with it. It's dishwashing liquid. I've got this stuff. What's this? Food dye, blue food dye. And then I've got these here. These are two types of fizzy tablets. So these are types of medicine. We wouldn't want to eat them, but they're pretty interesting for doing experiments with. We've also rice. I've got some tea. And I've also got some bicarb soda. Has anyone heard of bicarb soda before? You have? Oh, is that because you love cakes? We use bicarb soda when we're making lots of cakes. Sometimes we use it when we're cleaning as well. So we've got all these things that we can try mixing together. Now, it is up to you. So if you can see some things up here, two things that you would like to try mixing together, put your hand up and we will start doing some mixing. What would you like to try? Oh, excellent. So some rice and some vinegar. Okay, that is very interesting. Which one should we put in? It sounded like sparkles or something. What about now? Let's listen really carefully. Can you hear anything?
No.
It doesn't make a noise anymore. All that liquid in there is kind of dulling that noise, so we can't hear anything. So we've already changed something. Let's add some water and see what. All right. Did anything happen? What did we notice? Anything?
We don't see anything.
You didn't see anything happening.
No.
What if we add something else? Can I pick something to add?
I know. Tomato sauce.
You want to add tomato sauce? All right. Let's add two things. Let's add tomato sauce.
Barbecue.
You want to add barbecue as well? Oh my goodness. Tomato sauce, barbecue sauce,
Tomato
and what
sauce.
about some bicarb soda?
Tomato sauce.
So let's do all three things. So which one first? Tomato sauce first. The rice is on the bottom. I might give it a bit of a stir. Is anything happening when we stir it? What's happening?
It's turning red.
It's gone all red. We mixed it together and made the whole thing red. All right, what are we going to put in now? We're going to put the barbecue sauce or the bicarb soda next? The bicarb soda, this one.
Yeah. It's going to turn white.
It's going to turn white. I like the way you're thinking. We put tomato sauce in and it turned red. If we put the bicarb in, which you noticed is white, you think it might turn white. Well, let's give it a go. I might do this. This is my pick, so I'm going to do this one up here. All right, is everyone watching? Now, if you notice anything happening, I want you to call out what you see. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's give it a go. Can you see over there? Yeah? Excellent. Ready? 1, 2, 3. In it goes. Is anything happening? What's happening? There's bubbles. Let's give it a little stir. What do you see?
Bubbles.
Lots and lots of bubbles. Oh, it looks a bit like orange juice. I guess it might look a little bit like orange juice. Let's make one more mixture and see if we can make some more bubbles or any other mixture. So, does someone have two more things that they would like to try mixing together? Hands up. What would you like to add? Some blue food colouring. To what? What are we going to add the blue food colouring to? Does someone have an idea?
Yeah.
What? Hands up if you got an idea.
Blue.
Hands up if you got an idea.
Blue.
So, oh, you want the blue as well? Okay, well, we've got blue. What should we add it to?
Lemon juice.
Lemon juice. And what do you want to add to?
Salt.
salt. So blue, salt, and lemon juice. Oh, this sounds interesting. Okay. Put it in with the blue. Okay, let's do it. Are you watching? Let's see what happens.
Yeah.
Ready? What happened?
Blue.
It turned really dark, didn't it? It's still blue.
Yeah. Blue to the salt.
Now we have to do the salt, and this is your pick, right? So let's... Does that look like bubbles?
Yeah. It looks like
I think it might be something else.
Salt, blue ones.
It's blue salt, absolutely.
It looks
So
like
we've turned
blue
our
salt.
salt blue. How crazy is that? And if I keep mixing this, it has disappeared. It's mixed in and dissolved. So we made one mixture that had lots of
What
bubbles
happens if you put the blue one
and one that didn't have
What
any.
is the blue?
Oh, we have a suggestion.
Put the blue in the red.
Blue and the red. Who else wants to give that a go?
Me.
Yeah? What do you think will happen? We've got lemon juice, blue food colouring, and salt. What was in this one? Do you remember? Sauce. What
Tomato
else?
sauce.
Tomato sauce.
Barbecue sauce.
Barbecue sauce. We also put some rice in.
And there's the barbecue sauce.
Oh, we never put the barbecue sauce in, did
No,
we?
I'll do
Should we add some?
it. I'll do it.
I'll do it. I'll tell you what. We're going to do a really big experiment in a minute. So I'll put it in really quickly. Let's see what happens. What do you think will happen?
It's on chocolate.
Will I turn like a chocolatey colour? Oh, into this one.
Blue.
Let's have a look. Is it going chocolate colour?
No.
Ooh. What colour has it gone?
B.
It's still kind of blue, isn't it? That food colouring was really, really strong, but we had a suggestion over there to pour them together. We're going to put them in together. Are you ready? Do you think anything will happen?
Yeah.
Maybe. Let's have a look.
Oh!
What's happening now?
It's a volcano!
It's a volcano. What can you see on top?
Bubbles.
Lots and lots of bubbles.
And it's dripping down.
It is dripping down the side. That's such a great observation. And there's bubbles. You want this stuff here. It's a special chemical called hydrogen peroxide. Now to use this, I have to put on some safety glasses. And I've got to make sure I've got gloves on. Have you got safety glasses on?
No.
Have you got gloves on? No. So we have to we've got to be really safe, all right? And we're going to take our hands off the bench. We're going to make sure we keep our hands off the bench for this experiment, okay? Anything big happened? Do you think we've had a big chemical reaction yet?
It's turning blue.
It's turning very blue. So it was turning green, now it's turning blue. Great observation. I think I've got something else that I might add somewhere. Here it is. Some of this stuff here. This is called potassium iodide. It's a special chemical that we're going to use to see if we can make a chemical reaction happen. What do you think we should put it in?
Yes.
Okay, all right. So before we put it on, I need everyone to get their faces off the bench, hands off the bench. You're going to put this in, and then you're going to call out what you see happening. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. In it goes. Anything? Ah! What's happening? A really big mountain. Did you see something happening too? What'd you see? It went up, didn't it? It's gone right up in the air. You can see lots of foam. You want to do it again? It's just one problem with doing it again. Have a look at this. I've got nothing left. We've used up all of our ingredients. Oh, it does look a bit like ice cream, doesn't it? It's turned into foam. So all of our liquid turned into bubbles. Can you see how they're glittering? All those glittering little bubbles. So we made bubbles over here and we made bubbles over here. Which one was a bigger reaction, do you think? Which one was bigger? You reckon this one? Which one was faster? What do you think? You reckon this one was faster? Yeah, it's hard to... Oh, you think maybe this one? Oh, you definitely think it was this one. It's kind of hard to tell sometimes, isn't it? But you can have big reactions and small reactions. You can have fast reactions and slow. But I think it's time you gave yourselves a big clap for being great scientists this afternoon. Thank you so much. We mixed lots of things together. If you have any questions, stick around and have a chat. Otherwise, you have got 10 minutes left in Spark Lab. So this is your chance to ask any other questions you had, to explore any exhibits you haven't seen yet, or to go back and see your favorite exhibit again. Are you ready to go and explore?
Yeah.